I've been using Claude Cowork to help me make major decisions in the business. And what I just built with Claude Code to even further enable this has been an absolute game changer. And I cannot wait to share this with you. But more on that in just a minute. See, we're at this place with SuperSchema right now where we need to refactor our pricing structure entirely. We've got small and medium-sized businesses, agencies, and enterprises that are all really excited about the product and reaching out to us. But those are three very different groups. And so far, our pricing has really been structured in a way to validate whether or not people would actually find value in what we're building, pay for it, and then stick around. So now we're at this place where we want Claude Cowork to do a lot of the heavy lifting for us. So I ended up pulling a lot of data based on our product, the features that we offer, along with our customer data, things like signups, who are these groups, what category do they fall in, our churn rate, all that data. And then a little bit of secret sauce, we have our own North Star document where we can associate our own company values, the metrics that we're driving towards, and our goals. And we fed all of this to Claude Cowork. And let me tell you, what came out of it was mind-blowing. Not only did Claude end up categorizing all of our existing users into our current pricing structure, it showed us where we should actually head and how much money that we're leaving on the table, and then how close we can get to our $1 million in ARR goal if we start making these changes with our current growth rate structure. It is absolutely incredible. I'm so geeked out. But this is the thing. A lot of people, when they're utilizing an AI like Claude or anything else to think about business strategy, they're only giving it enough context that they actually remember. And so what we've decided to do is give it all of the real-time context so that it can help make the best decisions possible moving forward. And remember that thing I told you that we built? I actually, in the app, I built what we call our packets of truth and our daily data. And what this allows me to do is get a true real-time snapshot of our existing app, all the features, how it works, along with all of our user metrics, signups, churn rate, month-over-month growth, everything. And so I can download these as markdown files and feed that to Claude Cowork along with our North Star document at any given time to help us make these decisions. And let me tell you, that's where the leverage comes in. And so in the next one, I'll reveal where we end up with the pricing strategy. Until then, later.